how to add audio files to CapCut projects on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add audio files to your CapCut project on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and select the project you are working on. If you don't have one, create a new project by importing your video clips. Next, tap on the audio button at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see options like sounds, effects, extracted, and voiceover. To add audio from a video, tap extracted and choose a video from your gallery. CapCut will pull the audio directly into your timeline. To use a custom audio file, make sure it's saved in your Files app or your music library. Tap the import option, find the audio, and select it to add to your project. Once the audio is added, you can adjust its position, trim it, or sync it with your video for the perfect fit. And that's it. Now you can easily add audio files to your CapCut projects on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.